to look like this towards the end. But shit just got real. Alright, hey everyone, and welcome back to Lipstick Affair with me, Miss Mo. So today I'm going to be doing a product review of Raine. I'm very excited about this product review because I like Raine products. I've never had their products, but I like what I see so far. And I think they are also a vegan company. So let me just quickly look up this information before I tell y'all. I think one reason why I was excited about this company and their lipstick was because it is melanated owned. A Caribbean woman started the company. So yeah, but then the other reason is that I think they also have like vegan lipsticks. And like I've stated in other videos, I'm vegan, so I would definitely prefer to buy like vegan lipsticks. They are kind of like hella expensive. So the things that I purchased was I actually purchased some eyeshadow from there. Not like I'm going to use it on my eyes, but just by using the Fenty Diamond Ball Out, just realizing that I can just kind of use maybe some of these other makeup things on my lips. Hopefully don't break my lips out. Oh my goodness. Oh my, that'd be so bad. So but I got these like pretty eyeshadow colors. So this is, I don't know what color this is, but it's vegan and cruelty free. Paradise Owl, which is this like dark greenish color, a dark bluish greenish color. I purchased Glamour, which is kind of like looks kind of goldish. I don't know if y'all can see it. It kind of has like a goldish glimmery thing to it. And then I got this Majestic Blue. Ooh, I'm excited about that one. I really like blues. And then for lipsticks, these were all on sale, so that's why I got these colors. So I got Bodacious, I got this Heart of Stone, and I got this matte lip paint called Electric Rain. Now, what is lip paint, and how is that different from lipstick? So, I'm not going to necessarily focus on the eyeshadows. I just got this for any type of look I try to do in the future, and I just want to, play around with adding these to it. So I'm not going to focus on doing a review about these. Just going to focus on the 3 lipsticks that I purchased, and they're all vegan friendly. Yep, they're all vegan friendly and cruelty free. So we're gonna start off because I think the Electric Rain is like an orangey kind of look. It has a look to it, color to it. Heart of Stone I think is grayish, and then this is purplish, Bodacious. So we're gonna try out with Bodacious and see what it's talking about. But I like the packaging. And each company, I don't know. I think it's just, obviously it's just part of branding, but I like how the packaging look. It has that kind of like that shimmer thing going on. When I did the B. Simone Beauty review, its outer packaging had the shimmer thing as well. But I also like how this is kind of like flowery and like kind of like free-spirited. When I look at the outer packaging, I know this like y'all like, girl, move on. When I look at the outer packaging, it just seems just kind of fun. Whereas kind of like for the B. Simone one, it seems kind of prissy, but it also seems like, oh, you got a bad bitch on your hands. So yeah. But okay, we're gonna get besides the point. Oh, these are all lip paints. What is a lip paint? How is it different from lipstick? Whatever. So this is how the packaging looks, which is kind of like, it's kind of simple. I know I definitely see how like the dots all around, like the splashes of dots all around, kind of adds to the aesthetic of it. But for the most part, it's kind of a simple look. It kind of reminds me of something that like a little kid would have, and not necessarily an adult. Um, so yeah. So just taking it out. Okay, it's juicy. It's juicy. The formula is not as, the formula is a little thick, but also a little watery. I don't know if y'all can see the applicator, but the applicator has a little, has a little slight little point to it. So we're just gonna add this, and you all can see that it's a purple. Just gonna add this. Oh, not really a smell. So I'm waiting for it to dry right now. The way the color goes on, I like that I didn't, like, one application is good, but I think a second one, you add a second, apply a second layer. I think that's good too. That makes it a little bit better, just to make sure that you don't miss anything, and that the color is evenly distributed. I think maybe just because like when you have this type of formula, um, which is, it seems a little bit more wet, that it might just take a little bit longer for it to dry. Okay, it's coming around, it's coming around, it's coming around. I think for the most part it's dry. Let me see how it looks when it's dry. It's still a little sticky. Yeah, this definitely takes a little bit longer to dry. When I say a little bit longer, I mean like maybe like 2 minutes. Whereas, I mean, some of the formulas or some of the lipstick that I use, it can take probably like maybe like 30 seconds to dry. Um, so although it takes long to dry, a little bit longer to dry, it doesn't come off that easily, so that's good. And again, I'm going to do most of my product reviews videos, I'm going to do a product vlog just to see, because usually when I'm doing a product vlog, it's with matte lipsticks. They usually have long lasting wear in comparison to like regular creamy lipsticks. So I'm going to do a product vlog on Color Raine and just see, how it holds up. And if this is your first time watching one of my product review videos, I usually take off pretty much any lipstick, especially matte lipstick, with coconut oil. So I just get some coconut oil, drench my lips in it, and then I use a wet wash rag and I just wipe it off. That's simple. So let me do that. All right, so I'm back. My lips are clean and ready to go. So we're going to do this Heart of Stone. I already talked about the packaging, so let's just get into this color. Because I'm hungry and I want to stop filming. Okay, so I'm going to start on the top of my lips to apply this thing, this lipstick, or this lip paint, whatever that is. Like, what is that? Because isn't lipstick just lip thing? Like, isn't lipstick lip paint? Whatever. So I will have to say one thing. I only had to, so I got this full, in a way, full coverage. And I only had to put the applicator into the liquid lipstick just once. So that's good that, like, even after that, I can just cover my whole lips with just one application. But I am going to double up the application because I kind of feel like I really don't need to though, to be honest with you. And so, but I want to. I really think that adding another coat is helpful. I like the gray though. It's cute. So yeah, I'm excited to use this. The only other gray I have is Kat Von D Wolf Gray. So I'm glad to have another gray. All right, so I am back. My lips are ready to go. So the last color is, and it has a different packaging. I wonder why. What is lip paint though? But again, whatever. I just need to let it go. So, but this is, it's gonna be a bright color. This is called Electric Raine. And yeah, although it's a bright color, the packaging, unlike the other ones that had a little bit of the little splatter thing on it, a little splatter thing on it, this don't got nothing on it. I don't know if that's a factory defect or they were just like, take it. Take it as is. Don't ask no questions. Let me just get into this color Raine and wrap up this product review. So I'll do that because whew, I'm nervous, y'all. I feel like it's gonna be super bright. All right. Okay. This one has a slight smell to it, like a painty smell. The formula feels just a little bit different, a little bit thicker. And the way it feels is, mm. Oh, oh. Mm. Ugh, ugh. I feel like I'm going through a transformation or something. Like, this formula, I think, is just a little bit different from the other one because it feels funny. Like how it's drying just feels very funny. Ugh. Ugh. It feels like something on my lips. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay. The color is pretty. It's bright and it's pretty. But the formula itself is thick, so it's hard to apply. It's drying. Like it makes my lips feel very dry. It's a little messy. Like super messy. Ooh. Yeah. I would definitely not wear this lipstick without moisturizing my lips. Because if I didn't moisturize my lips, I just feel like my lips would be super sad right now because my goodness. Mm. It's dry though. It dries fast. I give it that. Maybe that's why the formula is a little bit different from the other ones because the other ones took maybe like 1 or 2, maybe like 2 or 3 minutes to dry. Whereas this one, yeah, it didn't take long at all. Okay, color Raine. Overall. And that's another thing about it. It's just that I don't know if y'all can really see this because I don't want to put my face all up in the camera like that, but it's flaky. It's flaking off. Is that the paint part? I'm confused about this paint part. Like, can you just like rub it away and then the color will still be there? Is that how lip paint is different from like regular lipstick? Or even I don't think this is supposed to be happening. hmm. Mm-mm. Yeah. I didn't necessarily mean for to look like this towards the end, but shit just got real. What color Raine? And it's electric Raine. Um, why are my hands like this? I got lipstick flakes on my chair. I got stuff on my face. My lipstick is smeared and but you know, the purpose of these product reviews is to give you a review of the product. I am not sponsored, and I'm spending my money, so I'm going to give you my honest review. And yeah, I'll say this. Maybe there was something wrong with this formula, this coloring formula, or maybe that's just how it is. But I would not necessarily recommend this lipstick because it's messy. The formula is very thick and it's drying, and it feels like something's on your lips. Although it does dry a little bit faster than the Heart of Stone or what was it? The Bodacious. Although it dries faster than those, I think I would rather wait a little bit longer for during the drying process, um, and have, you know, a good lipstick experience overall than experience something like this. I look like I've been eating Cheetos. Um, Flaming Hot Cheetos. Instead of experiencing something like this, where yes, the color is pretty, but is hella messy. Super is thick, so it doesn't go on the way it should go on. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't recommend getting this one. But the other ones were cool. I would only recommend getting this color, Electric Raine, if you want the color itself, because the color is banging. But you know, some of these colors, a lot of these colors from different brands look the same. So maybe you might not want to get this particular brand color because of the overall formula, what you might have to deal with, such as all of this. So yeah, and I recently purchased from B Simone Beauty, and I purchased the Moneymaker, which has a similar color to this. And yeah, I mean, I'm not necessarily trying to promote other people's stuff when I'm talking about a particular brand, but I do want to like kind of give you all a full view, like to not comparison in terms of who's better or who's worse, but just kind of get you all give you all a full view of what you might experience with different brands. So with the B Simone, with the color that looks like this, the Moneymaker, I didn't experience all of this. Yeah, I think I'm done. I'm gonna wash my face, wash my hands. Thank you all for watching Lipstick Affair. I hope you found this review helpful, and I will talk to you all later.